When using Spectrum TV on Fire TV devices, you may encounter some common issues. Here are the key troubleshooting steps to resolve most problems. First, let's address the most common issues and their solutions. Step 1. Ensure you have a stable, high-speed internet connection. Poor connectivity is the most common cause of streaming issues. Step 2. If you're casting from a mobile device, make sure location permissions are enabled for the Spectrum TV app. Step 3. If you're using the Silk browser to access Spectrum TV, clear the browser's cache and data to resolve loading issues. Step 4. Keep your Fire Stick firmware updated. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues with streaming services. Step 5. Restart your Fire Stick by unplugging it and plugging it back in. This simple step resolves many temporary issues. Looking toward the future, Amazon is planning a significant change that could affect how you access Spectrum TV on Fire TV devices. Amazon is transitioning Fire TV devices from Android-based systems to their own Vega OS platform. This change could significantly impact app compatibility. The good news is that Amazon is reportedly working to ensure major apps are available on the new Vega OS platform, which should include popular streaming services. Keep an eye on updates as this transition unfolds. The change to Vega OS may alter how you access Spectrum TV on your Fire TV device, but it could also bring improvements to the overall streaming experience.